Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds n and o. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the n sound in the word not, not, not. Now the o sound in the word lot, lot, lot. Now I will use them both in a sentence. It is not a lot. It is not a lot. It is not a lot. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!